Hey everybody, this is Jessica of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and I am so excited to celebrate and share with you our brand new digital stamp for April of 2019. Our website is just JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and when you go to our website it should look just like this. You'll see across the top we do share our Instagram feed. So if you craft anything using any of our stamps or our digital stamps or designs, or if you get a custom stamp from us and you want to share a photo, just use the hashtag JessicaLynnOriginal, all mushed together one word, and we would love to share it on our website. So don't be afraid to do that. I would love to see it featured up at the top of our site. The other thing too, don't forget we are here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Down on the lower right hand corner you'll see a little red button. Just click on that and hit subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Also, please know that all of our official stamps are only available here, Amazon, Cat Scrappiness, and Not Too Shabby. Those are the only 4 places that you can pick up our stamps. So let's go ahead and get started. If you go to our website, obviously we've got our photopolymer stamps, our custom professional grade red rubber, our enamel pins, our digital stamps, geocaching stamps, our handmade card, supplies, and then also our clearance section. So today we're going to look at our digital stamps, and for the month of April 2019, this is our 14th anniversary. I seriously do not know how we got to 14 years. It's exciting and I love it. I love being able to draw and share my art with you guys, and currently because of the overlap there are 2 of them up there, but just know the goat will not be free as of April 1st. Not a joke, totally the truth. But for the month of April, we are giving away this adorable Brentwood Owl. Now, if you decide you want to put happy birthday on his shirt or whatever you want to write, that's fine. His shirt, just so that you know, it is blank, so you can add whatever you want to his shirt. It's super easy to download our stamps. I'll go through that process in a minute. Please know that these stamps are good for your personal work. Be sure to link that you got the stamp from JessicaLynnOriginal.com. It can be used for your handcraft items that you sell, but it cannot be used for like your logo or anything else of a logo sort that you'd pay for someone else. You can't sell it as your own. You can't use it as clip art or convert it into rubber stamps or photopolymer. That would be stealing. Please don't do that. We copyright our art. And please don't give it away as well. So I'm going to click on Buy It Now, and what you're going to need to do is enter in your information. Now I am on a test server, so I'm going to put in sample information, but it will require you to create a real account. Now the digital stamp doesn't cost anything, but we are just going into an agreement saying that you're not going to steal our art and turn it into something whatever. You're going to respect our copyright, and that's why we have you set this up. Now when you enter in your information, again, I'm on a sample server just to show you what it does, but you will actually have to enter in a real phone number and all of your real information so that it will process, and it does validate that information, just so you know. Now the cool part is because there's no payment, it takes you right to the checkout screen, and all you have to do is say complete order. Now if you decide you want to order other stamps with it, you can do that. If they're digitals, they'll all be lumped together. If you decide to buy photopolymer or anything else, you will see a break in your invoice, but it will all be ordered as one. Now what you can see is that the order is confirmed. You get an order number, and it starts to actually put together and prepare a download file for you. So all you got to do is just give it a minute. If you don't have a minute, it will email you just so that you know, with the link to download your free digital stamp from us. Once it is ready to go, the screen will actually have your download is ready, click here, and we'll just give that a minute. There it is. So you can see that blue button says download now. So we'll go ahead and do that. And if you had multiple, it would put them all kind of in one file, if that makes sense, so you don't have to worry about downloading a bunch. And there's the adorable image. Now again, I left his shirt blank so that you could decide what you want to put on there. On my sample, I did put happy birthday, just because it's the 14th anniversary or 14th birthday for JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Now you might say to me, what do I do with it now? I downloaded this little piece of art. Well, typically I will open up Word, and what I'll do, let me just click on the little blank document. What I'll do is I'll actually import it or insert it as a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to where I store it. And I always put stuff on the desktop, but just make sure you put it someplace that you're used to looking for it. I got just a couple files on my desktop, so there he is. So let's go ahead and click on him, and you can see if you wanted, you could print this off for your kid to color. Print out a huge 8x10 and color it, and then take a picture, put it on Instagram, and give us a hashtag. The other thing that's really cool about the Word document as well as the digital stamp is that you can see all I had to do was drag it, and look, it reversed the image. So depending on what you're working on, you could easily reverse the image and work with it in the other, facing the other direction. Now, a lot of people say, well, my printer isn't so good. How can I go in and print these off so I can use them? A lot of my design team and former design team members will actually send their digital stamps off to Kinko's to get printed, which is yet another option you have. So. But I just ask that when you do create something with our adorable Brentwood Owl, be sure to share it on your social media and use the hashtag JessicaLynnOriginal, and we'll share it out too. So I just wanted to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching our little video. Be sure to head out to JessicaLynnOriginal.com to download this digital stamp. It is only available for free through the end of April, and then we'll change designs. We do have other digital stamps if you're interested in those as well. Also, we have a full line of photopolymer stamps. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that little button down on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And I do thank you so much for watching our videos, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you again. Bye-bye.